Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. Here, and probably a couple Phillips screws along here. And we'll just take that stuff there off, and we'll probably be going up in the air and taking some stuff off the bottom and the sides in the wheel wells. It's got a Phillips tip. You can turn it a quarter turn or something. It'll raise itself up and out, so you can pull it out the rest of the way. So we do need to remove the front bumper assembly, so we'll be taking apart some screws in here. I've already taken some out, push pins, 7mm screws along the bottom here. We got some 10mm bolts down here. Along here, 10mm bolts. So again, these are 7mm bolts, kind of a carbon copy of the other side. And these are again Phillips screws. Just turn them a little bit and they maybe theoretically will come out of the black hole, but that doesn't always work the way. Then you can sometimes use little baby screwdrivers and pull the center pin out. So let's be working on taking some of these things out down here to get the bumper assembly off forward. Probably lastly we'll be pulling up here to separate the fender from the bumper. So then we have a fog light, so we're going to disconnect it. Again, just push the tab and release. Right up there, one on the other side of course. So don't forget that. Got the 10mm bolts out from the bottom here. We're about ready to come off, I believe. We'll probably reach up through the wheel well here and get the bulb for that. Looks like it's actually burnt out. You just give it a twist to unlock it. Looks like there's a Phillips screw inside here. We'll just take that Phillips screw off. It's on the same as the other side as well. Just kind of pulls off. Got these little friction tabs really right here, right there. And that just kind of snaps onto. Looks like it's a little hole there. That's kind of what you're working with. We'll do the same on the other side. Mm-hmm. Kind of got something down there so it doesn't just fall down, but it probably won't fall down. Oh, it's come off before, apparently. There we go. It's loose. Got the other fog light disconnected. So I'd say we didn't have to disconnect these screws here, so you can save yourself a little time and just do these two down here, it looks like. So here we are. Bulb out here. Bulb disconnected. Bulb out over here and bulb out here, or connector. Bumper's off. Now you have nice easy access to your washer fluid jug if you'd like to replace it. So we got 10mm bolt here, 10mm nut down there, and 10mm bolt there. Electrical connectors, just push in and release. That's how they almost all work. And pull this out of the piece right there. Disconnect your hose. You'll have fluid, so you can use something to catch it if you'd like, and not go all over the ground, although it's probably cracked, and that's probably why you're replacing it. You can actually see F for the front if you have a front washer, which everyone does, and then a hole for an optional rear washer if some people have that fancy one. So there's that. And unbolt it, and it should just come out. That would be replacing your windshield washer fluid after getting your bumper off. Probably be the easiest way.